Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide balance on Kraken. First of all, launch open Kraken application on your device and log in. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your name initial at the top left corner and this will open up the accounts menu. From the menu that pops up on the screen, select Preferences. Under Preferences, toggle on the button right next to Hide Balances. And right after you do that, your total balance and asset value in your Kraken homepage will be blurred or hidden or indicated by asterisk signs. So that way you will be able to hide your balance on Kraken. This simple privacy feature helps you protect your financial information whenever needed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.